Hey everyone, I'm Chris Carter, Chris Carter Realty and Ebby Halliday Realtors. Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Michelle Green, for allowing us to showcase his home for you all in this video today. If you enjoy luxury home tours and North Texas real estate tips for sellers and buyers, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll start the tour today outside looking over the beautiful pond that comes with the property. And as we make our way in to the home, you'll see you're greeted by this beautiful entryway with some amazing double doors. Upon entering the home, you see the double split staircase that greets you as you come in. Beautiful wrought iron finish, hardwood, high vaulted ceilings. To your right, it's got a beautiful office area, built-in cabinet features, brown crown molding, which is featured throughout the house. Flooring is a classic acid-stained concrete that's very popular in the hill country luxury homes of Texas. And to your right, you have a private dining area and the chandelier. And there's that beautiful door. Amazing. Coming around. As you enter into the main sitting area, there is a wet bar area. Again, featuring that dark brown crown molding and finishing. Gold natural granite countertops throughout. Another feature that's consistent throughout the house are the natural limestone or castle stone. Once again, very popular. You usually pull this limestone right from Texas in the Austin area. It's native to a few other areas in Texas, but there's a beautiful floor, ceiling, white limestone fireplace feature, which opens up the two bay doors that go out to the pool area, which we will get a look at shortly. Now to the heart of the house, right? The heart of any home is going to be the kitchen. And this kitchen lacks nothing in the way of amenities and custom design. Again, you'll see the featured granite natural stone whirlpool appliances, all stainless steel, gas. Again, featuring those beautiful wood finishes and dark, rich tones that blend really well with that cream gray colored countertop. The limestone columns are going to be featured throughout the home as well as these exposed timbers that really highlight and just scream Texas Hill Country style. Off the kitchen is a beautiful sitting area here that you can see, which also features another bar area. So if you want to entertain, one of the beautiful things about this home, it really flows, good open concept. This secondary bar area. And there is the media room. Again, crown molding, dark wood, beautiful mahogany color finishes. Two-tiered media room. Flows right into the media room. And if you're entertaining in the media room area, having some drinks at the bar area, you can access your way right out to the pool as well. And here's your first guest bathroom on the first level. Takes you over to your laundry area. Again, that acid concrete floor is going to be consistent throughout, as well as this great hardwood highlights that you'll see everywhere. Your first full bath that we're going to see on the first level and the first bedroom. Good lighting, high ceilings, nice crown molding, just all the trim and finish that you would expect from a luxury home like this. And as we make our way back around to the other side of the house, I'll show you the master bedroom that is featured on the first floor. With all the entertaining you'll be doing, of course, you want to have your own spacious getaway. And this is what it's all about. And the master bedroom features this amazing view in the morning for your outside fireplace and sitting area. You can see the pool and across the open courtyard area. Now let's take you into the master bath. The very spacious master bath. Again, the granite countertops are consistent throughout the house. It's got the wraparound mirrors for getting ready. And it's got this amazing stand-up shower and plenty of sitting area. It's got matching his and her closets as well. I'll show you those. So here's the custom. I'm going to guess and say this is the her side of the custom closet because it's a little bigger than the other side. And they feature these beautiful copper sinks, both his and hers. And here is the second closet. There is a lot of house to see, so I'm trying to go through as fast as I possibly can and still highlight as much as I possibly can. But let's make our way upstairs. One of the first things when you come up here, how cool is that view? Overlooking the pool area. See the fireplace as well. Looking down over the sitting area with bar. And it's also got its custom fitness area. Plenty of room to get a good workout in. Add some workout equipment. And this is the first bedroom that's featured on the second floor with a full bath and closet area. And a beautiful natural stone countertop. With the amazing woodworking finishes. The craftsmanship and the woodwork in this home is outstanding. So we make our way across to the other side of the upstairs area. Here's the second bedroom. Once again, features full bathroom, natural stone, full bathroom with bathtub. As we make our way outside, you see the beautiful stonework around the pool and spa. Great for beating the Texas heat. Beautiful privacy. Plenty of yard if you have animals and the dogs need a little space to run or the kids need a little space to run around. Plenty of space. Also features his really cool brick and stone outdoor fireplace area. And to the left of the pool area, once again, just look at the stonework that flows into the pool entry. Water feature, one of two water features featured in the pool. Nice fire pit area, outdoor kitchen that features a still brand new gas grill. Okay, from the main pool area, we just make our way straight to the guest house behind us. And the guest house features a kitchenette area. Again, staying with the hardwood finishes, crown molding, the concrete acid stain flooring, and it just opens up into a nice living area. If you're having friends and family over, or if it's a mother-in-law situation, plenty of room in the main house for a mother-in-law. But if you want to give her privacy in her own room, this works out great. Very spacious. There's a first room in the secondary house area, and here's the second. Great views of the landscaping, plenty of privacy from your neighbors as well. You have another exit area out to the pool, full bath. That opens up into the two-car garage that is for this secondary house unit. And last but not least, we'll give you guys a view of the three-car garage that this property features. So three-car garage here, an additional two-car garage that's attached to the secondary house with space for storage, as you can see. Okay, so there you have it. This house is Texas Hill Country classic luxury design. It's 7,245 square feet. It is on the market for just under $2.5 million. Again, I want to give a big thank you to Michelle's team for letting us feature this beautiful home. And if you're needing realtor services, feel free to contact me at chriscarterrealty.com. That's chriscarterrealty.com. If you're liking the content, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.